So I am going to write a sequence using only the digits, using both the digits 4 and 7, right? All the numbers in ascending order. So what is the first number if I am going to use both 4 and 7? I must use both 4 and 7. 47, right? Then 74. Then I must use both 4 and 7, right? Then 7. Then 4. 477 is missed, right? Good. 477. Then only 700s. 744, right? So it goes on, right? That's okay. It's okay. So a sequence is written, sequence of natural numbers containing both digits 4 and 7 only, written in what? Ascending order. Straight. I want to know how many 6-digit concentrate. I am going to use say, it's like you can think 4 and 7 are like codes, right? 4 is like there is a bulb, okay, which is in off position, right? 7 is a bulb which is in on position. Just convert to a frame, correct? So I may have 2 bulbs or 3 bulbs or 4 bulbs like that. If you want to know, 4 bulbs, 3 bulbs. Okay, let us take 3 bulbs. Bulb 1, bulb 2, and there are 3 bulbs, right? The bulb should be in, if this bulb is off, say this is on and this is on, what is the code now? 477. So 477 means first bulb is off, second bulb is on, and third bulb is, that's the code of 477. In fact, when you study this computers, it's finally the transistor is going to have on and off. So 1 for on and 0 for off, like the binary. I am not telling anything new. So you can create a firm, right? Because only 2 numbers are involved. It's like binary. Okay, so we are going to have a lot of situations. Now let us not bother about the condition. We know each bulb has a choices. It can be off or on. Second bulb, third bulb. So you get 2 choices, 2 choices, 2 choices. So the total number of choices in which 3 bulbs will be off. Forget the sequence condition, right? If you take this one off or on, will you be adding or multiplying? So the other tip is also coming into, you need to multiply or add? Multiply. Reason, for every choice of this, you have got 2 choices. So you are going to multiply. For every combination of B1, B2, you have 2 choices. Are you able to understand? Therefore, it's going to be 2 into 2 into 2, 8. But you will not get 8 numbers in the sequence. Why? Because of our sequence, definition is all off is not, all 4s not allowed, all 7s. But except for those 2, then all the other things are. So you will be getting how many 3-digit numbers? 6. So if I want a 6-digit numbers, what I should think of? Situation. What is my frame? How many bulbs? So I am going to take 6 bulbs, B1, B2, B4, B5, and so each bulb is going to take off or, correct? So you will be getting 6 2s. Will you be multiplying or adding? Multiply. What will you get if you multiply 2 6 times? 64. But out of 64, 2 will not come. All off, all on. So how many 6-digit numbers will be there? So the problem is, actually you have taken a frame of bulb frame and then solving the problem, right? But what about that ascending order? Is it going to do anything? No, the ascending order is not going to any impact. forget the ascending order. We want to count how many 6-digit numbers, whether it is written in ascending order or descending order or any order. If you are going to write all the numbers satisfying the condition that it should be formed from both 4 and 7, there will be how many numbers? 62. So suppose the problem is instead of 4 and 7 I have 3 and 8. Story is same. Or you can even change the code 4 for on and 7 for off. Only thing is you have to take a frame and do the problem.